Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy F14 and let me share with you how to reset up preferences on this device. So first of all we have to find and open the settings and then let's scroll in order to find the apps. Now we have to tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and tap on Reset Up Preferences. And as you can see, your device will inform you what actually it will reset, so the disabled apps, notification restrictions for apps, background data restrictions for apps, and any permission restrictions. What's more, no worries, you won't lose any app data, so simply tap on Reset. And basically that's all. This is how to reset up preferences in your Samsung Galaxy F14. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.